SHENZHEN LED Visual Photoelectric Company Limited, established in 2016, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of indoor and outdoor LED modules and LED display for single and double color, full color, and special series of products for LED display. Our headquarters in Shenzhen and another factory in Yangzhou, Jiangsu, with convenient transportation access. The employees are professionally trained and have rich experience in product, technology, and service, and always be available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE, RoHS, FCC, EMC, IP65, SASO, SAA certificates. 98% of goods are exported to foreign markets. The registered capital of 2 million yuan. In today's turmoil market, our company holds integrity management, customer first. Do what customers think, so customers do. Seek prompt the company to grow and develop in a short period of time. Now our company already exported to all over the world, Europe, Asia, Africa, North and South America, and other regions' exports. We focus on specialized market, advertising and brand, sports venues, events, and entertainment. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.
We are the professional manufacturer of LED screens. Our range of products include the outdoor, indoor, and the transparent LED screens.
Welcome to Contact SHENZHEN LED Visual.